make the face.
And you make the sound.
Let's get started.
Me first.
Madeline.
My turn.
I got it. Wow, wow, wow.
My turn.
The Connor J. Long Foundation stands for Hope, Action, and Love. In the last video, we explained kindness, and in this video, we are going to be explaining respect.
Respect is treating others the way you would want to be treated. Make sure you respect yourself and the others around you.
Your support means a lot to us. I hope you guys subscribe.
Bye.